Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's slightly different. I'm off to get a tattoo. I've had this booked in for a while, and I thought, do you know what? It's relatively dry. The sun's shining. It's about 3 degrees, but the sun's shining and it's dry, so why not take a motorbike to get a tattoo and just go full man? Tattoos, motorbikes, absolute alpha. So you might be aware that I've been building this pit bike. It's something I've always wanted to do. I've always liked pit bikes, so I thought, you know, why not? Just why not? I found a relatively cheap one, so I'm going to start building it. I've always wanted to give back to bikers. I remember what it was like being sort of, 16, 17, not having much money, but wanting to be on a bike. So I thought, let's give it a go. I'll start building it up and I'll give it away to one of the subscribers. It's ended up, as always with motorbikes, becoming a bit of a money pit, and it's a big old restoration. The hardest part for me is the fact that it needs 2 new wheels. So I've managed to get a front wheel, which is really good. Slightly bigger than I wanted, but I've got one. But the rear wheels are just so hard to come by, or really expensive. So I'm battling with that at the moment, just trying to find not a cheap alternative, like, obviously want a quality part, but something that's not going to break the bank. Like I say, I'm giving this bike away, so it's all out of my own pocket. I don't obviously get paid to do any of this. It's just something that I want to do, so I don't want it to end up costing me, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pounds. The idea was to do it for a few £100 and give it away to one of you guys. But it's not going to stop me. I will get it done. It might take slightly longer than anticipated, because like I say, I've got to source some more bits and pieces, but it will get done. Hopefully, will definitely be before the summer. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it actually. It's a fun little bike to work on. Rather than working on this massive old BMW that is just all electronics and 37-year-old machinery that's not up to its best anymore. Instead I've got a 10-year-old bike that's been thrashed around the field, which is mechanically trashed and electronically trashed. So actually, yeah, it's pretty much the same. The only difference is it's all a lot smaller and a lot easier to do. But either way, I'm enjoying it. It's lots of fun, and I can't wait for it to be up and running. I can sort of have a little go around the field and then sort out giving it away. But until then, let's ride to the tattooist, get stabbed a billion times, be in lots of pain, and just to have a drawing on my arm. But it's all worth it, isn't it? Because tattoos are awesome. I should have put some thermal leggings on. My thighs are frizzing. So this is the first time I've rode the bike since putting the fly screen on, and I like it, to be honest. I think it looks really good. It helps see the speedo a bit better as well, because it just stops the glare from the sun sitting on it. So yeah, it actually makes it way easier to see the speedo, which is nice. But I like the look of it. I was never a big fan of fly screens, but I think that looks really cool. Oh, everyone's turning. Brake, brake, brake. Oh, it picks up quick. I still can't wrap my head around the fact that this is 37 years old and it's as good as it is. Like, I've always had such hang-ups about motorbikes having like 30,000 miles on the clock. Being like, I don't know, it's high mileage. It's done nearly 90,000 miles. And it's just so good. I say that, it smells like something's burning, but I'm hoping it's just the smell of the sun burning through the clouds, to be honest. Because that's a thing, isn't it? I should have realised I'm going up to the next village, and it's got its own weather system up there. I guarantee it's snowing. I didn't even think of that. Oh, slow down, Mr. fucking Range Rover. Did not think you were going to stop. Now, as it stands, I'm going to be there quite early. Give me time to warm up, I suppose. Damn it. It's such a tricky thing, motorbikes, because you bloody love riding them. And you just want to ride them all the time. But the weather in England is just not good. And I know you can get heated gloves and blah blah blah. Maybe I should. Heated gloves, heated grips. I just don't like the idea of just plugging loads of electric stuff into the bikes and being. Do you know what I mean? Like, I just want to get on a bike and go. I don't want to worry about all this heating stuff, but at the same time, sometimes you have to. I knew the weather would be different here. God, it's so much colder. It's foggier, it's colder. It's just way worse there. Oh my god, it's like driving through the Sleepy Hollow film set. As the mist rolls in over the hills, the villagers sense there is something wrong. Guys, this weather is a joke. How has it changed so much? From the start of the video, it was like this. So now, it's like this. Off-roading, boys. Off-roading. Should have put my knobbly tyres on for this. Jesus Christ. What have I done? So here we are, back in the chair, getting a bit more work done to my sleeve, which eventually will be wrapping around my arm under my bicep. So yeah, there you go. What do you think? Well, that weren't too bad. Not as painful as I thought it was going to be.
That 360 camera?
Yes, mate, yeah.
Is that it?
It's so good.
Oh, mate, they're mental, isn't they?
It's fucking...
I've never actually seen one properly.
Yeah. It's so good.
What did that one take you back?
That was a whole kit, so you get like the camera, the bar, the clamp. That was like $580.
Can you see that live on your phone as you're riding?
I can do.
So it can give you like a view of like what's behind you better than your mirrors.
I can do if I want to. Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I would do off-roading. Like, I've hurt my back. But,
Oh right.
But yeah, my boys are just doing their bike test now.
Oh yeah.
They just passed their driving test Friday.
Yeah.
And they're both going to do their big bike test.
Oh nice.
Yeah, so.
So you just pretty much just, I've done that a bit tight, but yeah, you can just do that and have it like that.
How I would have it for some reason.
Yeah, and then just twist it.
Like it's in your sight of view, is it?
Nah, that's it.
Like having it out here, no mind, like I'd hit the first car.
I've come close. Yeah, I've definitely come close. Yeah.
You've got quite your handlebars on this are actually reasonably narrow, aren't they?
They're not too bad. Yeah.
Not too bad. Like I said, my dirt bike won't seem wider than that.
Yeah.
Have a good day, buddy.
Yeah.
Thanks for stopping.
No worries, mate.
Okay, yeah.
Take it easy.
Take care.
That was a bit of fun. It's always nice to have a bit of interaction. Is it safe to go? No, not interested. He is not a friendly mopedist. Mopedophile. No, that's not fair. Shouldn't say that.
And on that note, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.